Hello everyone, my name is Christian. I've been teaching the subject of maths for more than 17 years now, and in today's lesson I'll show you how to factorize a quadratic, how to solve a quadratic using factorizing. Um, the general form for a quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. A cannot be 0 because if a is 0 then the x squared disappears, so b will go down to a linear. In order to show you how to factorize this quadratic, I will use a method called AC method. So this is what we're going to use to factorize this quadratic. 5x squared minus 13x minus 6 equal to 0. So AC method is used when a is not equal to 1. As you can see in this example, a is equal to 5. Right, so we're going to start multiplying a by c. A is 5 in this case, and c is negative 6. B will be in the middle, which is negative 13. Right, the coefficients are 5, minus 13, and negative 6. So if we multiply A by c, you're going to get 5 multiplied by negative 6. That's going to be minus 30. Then we've got two things that we need to do now. We need to ask ourselves two questions. Two numbers that multiply to get minus 30 and add to get the middle one, the middle coefficient, which is negative 13. So the numbers, if you use trial and error, yeah, you're going to find that the two numbers are minus 15 and 2. Yeah, one of them has to be negative. All right, so minus 15 plus 2, as you can see, you get minus 13. So we're going to write the quadratic again, the quadratic equation, but instead of minus 13, we're going to use these two numbers to split the minus 13 into negative 15x and positive 2x. As you can see, if we add them, we get minus 13. So I haven't changed anything apart from the form of the quadratic. Right. It doesn't matter if you swap. If you put 2x minus 15x, it's not going to be a mistake. You will get the same answer. Right. Now we need to factorize the first two, for example, and the last two. It doesn't matter if you pick, for example, to factorize the first one and the third term, the second and the fourth. Yeah, there's no mistake. Let's keep it simple and factorize the first two and the last two. Yeah, so if you factorize the first two, you're going to get 5x outside. Factorize it fully. X minus 3. And then 2 bracket x minus 3 as well. This is my goal. Yeah, to get the same quantity in the two brackets. Yeah, if you don't get the same quantity in the brackets, it's not good. You need to keep trying, yeah, until you get the same thing in the brackets, in the two brackets. Right, so now we're going to factorize further. The common factor is x minus 3. And then outside quantities will be in the second bracket, 5x and plus 2 equals 0. So now we've got one more step to do, which is finding the solutions. Once we factorize it fully, we can easily find the solutions. X minus 3 equals 0, x must be 3. And then the second bracket, 5x plus 2 equals 0, x must be minus 2 over 5. And that's it for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.